Hey, hi everyone. My name is Venkatesh. I'm the founder and CEO of KubeSense. So I'm going to walk you through KubeSense and its agent SRE capabilities now. So here is your SRE companion, so which can help you with infrastructure health monitoring, APM monitoring, and even performing root cause analysis, etc. So here are some sample things that it can do. So I'm going to investigate for a case where I created issues in the system by entering incorrect credit card details. So which means the checkout APIs have failed because of incorrect credit card details. So let me see how our agent SRE can help me identify the reasons. Can you please check why checkout API is failing for the front-end service? Let's see what it does. Yes, our agent performed the investigation and here are the details. It analyzed all the traces. It identified the SQL by itself. It analyzed all the logs and here are the findings. So in last 30 minutes, it has identified so many failures. The primary reason is because of incorrect credit card details. So it even suggests you the follow-up questions, so which you can try. So right now I'm not going to do it. Let me get into AI error analytics. So here we look at all the errors, all the failures that happened in the previous time window. We look at all the traces, events, and get these analytics. So these are all the incidents that happened. This has failed 104 times in the last 15 minutes. And you can perform the main root cause analysis just by clicking this. So let me quickly jump into your APM module. So apart from being an agent SRE, so KubeSense is a complete observability platform. So it does APM logging, infrastructure monitoring. So here is your APM module. You look at all your telemetry information. You have all your raw traces. So all this data is correlated. So here is a trace that I have just opened. So this is the trace. A trace is correlated to the workload metrics, the CPU, and the CPU and memory of your containers and nodes. So you can even do an RCA from here. Just click it. It performs the RCA and gets you the results. This is the reason for failure. So these are all the details. So you can go to trace summary from here. So here I'm looking at all the HTTP calls in the previous 15 minutes. These are all my calls. Here are the latencies, error rates. I can do a comparison with previous R, for example. So I get to know the APIs that are failing, that are getting worse, that are getting better here by doing this. And here is a service map for the entire cluster. So wherever there is a red indicator, red line, there are errors. Here, let me just quickly open. So here between these two workloads, there are just two failures. So you can click open in a new tab and continue navigating and continue with your investigation. So let me get into logs modules. This is a comprehensive logging solution. You have log capturing, log transformation, and log compression. We heavily compress logs, maybe get close to 95% compression. So let me open a raw log. This is your raw log. So we extracted all these attributes from the log. And again, this log is correlated to surrounding logs. These are the metrics. The metrics of the containers and the nodes from where the log is emitted. So I can do an attribute search, just click, maybe I'm just doing this search. This attribute search is applied and you have all the results here. And you have log pipelines here. You can set up any kind of log pipelines here. Yeah, here you have your infrastructure monitoring. So this is, you look at your infrastructure and then set up alerts based on the usage spikes, etc. So I'm just taking you to the settings page to show you how efficient we are with respect to compression, data compression. So we achieve somewhere between 90 to 95% compression without compromising on the performance. Yeah, and that's it for now. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.